Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to find dog's deposit address in Binance. It is very easy, make sure to follow the steps carefully. So let's start. First of all, we need to go into the wallet tab, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on deposit and here search for dogs. Now click on dogs and here choose the network, which is Coin. Now this is an important notice which you need to understand. It says that the both memo and the deposit address are required to be filled to successfully deposit your dog's balance into your Binance account. Click on OK and here we go. We got the deposit address and the dog's memo address as well. You need to copy both of them to be able to transfer dog's amount in your Binance account. I hope this video helps you a lot. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.